Well, hello YouTubers. Good morning. It's now just after 10 o'clock in the morning here in not so bad weather outside in Great Britain, here in Nottingham. Like I say, today we're going to have a look at this Sansui amplifier. So you can see that a bit better than that. Look at that. That's better. I can see now. Yeah, it's AUX 111. I did actually put this on eBay September, I believe, so October, September, somewhere around there. I can't remember now. When I had it, she was ditched on the inside, completely ditched. On the video that I did regarding the switches, basically nearly all of them are in the same case. Phono, tuner, tape ain't too bad, but it's still there. But anyway, on this unit, I'll go through it. I'll see we have in the shop power button there, headphones, A and B speakers, treble, bass, CD direct means it bypasses all the top and low end, anything to do with the amplifier. Basically, it comes directly from the CD player, goes into the amplifier, the actual amplification, and then straight out the speakers. It doesn't. If you press the loud button or mess around with the bass and treble pots, forget it. It doesn't do anything. That's all that is. This time we've got tape 2. Here we've got tape 1. Just try and zoom in if I can for you. Oh, here we go. Whee! That's better. Yeah, as I say, that's CD direct. Tape 2, tape 1, CD. You just see that line. Tuner and phono. Lands button, and then we have the obviously volume control, and the button is there is the balance, the left and right with centre of marking. On the back we have obviously mains going in and then going across where the speakers out, A and B left and right, and obviously all the phono sockets for the units you want to wire up to. Let's zoom it back out. Oh, wrong way. There we go. There we go. Now you're wondering why I'm here. Yes, it is a cardboard pizza box, and I am actually in my living room. I'm not in the workshop anymore because of certain conditions. The workshop has been temporarily hit that word, temporarily closed down. The process is that we are moving, so we're going to find somewhere so I can properly set up in a proper workshop, which the workshop I was in, as you saw on previous videos, was pretty reasonable to work in. But if I had anything really big, i.e. a big television, impossible. It was too much. One size, two, and space. It was space limited for the test equipment and all the bits and bobs I had in there. I still got my usual tools. What I got is a like a container with my tools in. But anyway, more of the video is this. So we're going to undo it. I'm going to start with the screws on the back, just there. Let's just do it this way. So we have one screw. This we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outer screws. So this video is just showing you how to take the unit apart. It's going to be a strip down, as I got to get to the front, and obviously take the latching switches assemblies apart off the board, and obviously lose a screw. Here we go. I know there's not much to see at the moment, but I'm going to get there. Up here. Quickly I get these screws out of the way. Quickly I can. A lot of people have, not many people, but some people have left me asking why do I speak a little bit funny. Because 7 years ago I did have a relapse. I cannot drive no more, and I've been driving nearly for 28 years. But the finger of God basically says no more. And because with the relapse, like I say, I can't drive, I can't work as well as I can. I put things down, I drop things sometimes. Things down, what I mean is, i.e. I'll put, say, I've done by putting an electric kettle in the fridge, looking around trying to find where the kettle has disappeared to, and it's in the fridge, because I forget. But there you go. And my speech isn't all that clever. I do mumble. I forgot how this comes off now. I remember. Lifts up one side. That's it. It should peel off. That's there we go. There we go. What an amplifier. But that's such is life. Right. Now try and, if I can, zoom in. You have to bear with me. Also, the camera, what is on the stand, somebody has lost my shoe, what connects the camera to the stand, and what it is at the moment is hanging on by its little handle on the stand, so I have to be aware with the camera work. But yeah, what I could do actually, maybe, see, zooming around, if I just get it That's better. There we go. Right, inside. We all know what this is. If not, well, you shouldn't be watching this. Joking. Mains obviously comes in. It's this circuit here. We've got a fuse, a live connection which goes to the main switch, and back down the wire, and then hits the transformer. After the transformer hits the input, power input, bridge rectifier, AC smoothing capacitors, then it goes for a little protection circuit which is just here, and then when that's saying oh yes everything's all fine, relay clicks in and then it switches on the amplifier. The amplifier itself is, I shall tell you, is a STK 4151 Mark II. Yeah, and obviously the rest of the circuit's there. Well, we've got the input circuit, and that's what we've got to look at today, and that looks fun. This side just here is the there. Okay, is the preamp. Let's see, I'm going to zoom in there. Okay, yeah, that's the preamplification for the phono. I think it's only for magnetic cartridges. Up here we have the another diagram. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's not really. Oh, that's what's happening because I'm moving the cardboard. There is like a circuit there for other components. It looks like it's like two transformers. Don't know. One says, well, here we go. One's for 120 volt, and the other's for 230. I don't know why that is. To see that the main transformer is up here. Before we carry on, I'm just going to do something. I'm just going to zoom back out. Here we go. I've got to get rid of this. One, it's not very sturdy. That's better. As you can see, I've got two boxes. One's on the deck, one's down there, and then this one's on top. And this is my assembly bench, if you want to call it that. Anyway, back into it. Now, the front of this you want to see, basically I'll take all the lovely knobs off. Put them to one side. In fact, what I can do now is put these screws see, even now I'm picking these screws up, they tend to be a bit fiddly. Put them in there. Right. Now we've got the fun bit. And what I'm trying to do is to, which we can't see, I've got to take out the nuts which are in there. I'll obviously on the bass and treble and the balance. And it says hopefully we should have progress. And then see, we've got to take the front off. Right, well that's, I know it's a little bit short than usual. Reason being is that the camera I'm using is in 16:9, and some other reason of not on my fault, YouTube don't like it for so long, and you can do up to 20 minutes. So this is the first video of dismantling this. I shall pause the camera now, and then the second part will be very shortly. See you in a moment. Thank you.